Going to be tracking the potential for some severe weather here these next couple of days. We are on a weather alert day. This is where we're going to expect a lot of those potential for those severe storms to roll through here, especially across all of mid-Missouri. Looking for some more of those scattered ones, but in our northern counties, that's where we're going to anticipate some of those more developed storms starting to enter the area here overnight. And that's just going to be fueled by those warm temperatures today. We're only going to stay in really those 70s and 80s for most of the day, but we'll get close to those 90s before this weekend, and that's just going to continue to really start fueling some of these storms as we go into these next couple of days. Now, FUTURETRACK does show us clearing out just a little bit this afternoon. We could get some of these storms popping up pretty early, depending on how hot we get in some areas across mid-Missouri, but it's really not until this evening until we start to really can see this front across the northern half of the area. That's going to start bringing in this line of storms overnight here. We'll see really around midnight a lot of our northern counties seeing these potentially severe storms rolling through the area, and that's expected to just continue rolling through all of mid-Missouri by Friday morning here. You'll definitely want to really be on the lookout for some of these storms overnight. We're going to be dealing with some pretty high winds here. Could see some of those gusts up to 50, even 60 miles per hour across the area. Nickel to maybe even a quarter-size hail, and potential for some tornadoes to be spinning up here across the area as well. Now we're going to be looking at a big flood potential here for these next couple of days into this weekend as well. As we still hold on to those rain chances, you'll definitely want to be monitoring some of these flooding conditions across the area here. We still stay comfortable though. It looks like we're in those 80s for this weekend and for next week too. I'm going to be tracking us really sticking right along with that. We're going to be tracking many chances for rain this week. That's what's going to really aid in that potential for flooding as well. And maybe grab that Storm Track weather app as we're tracking those severe storms for these next couple of days.